Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us all here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours, and if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes, and you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style and the timeline to result your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord where we're giving free daily signals. By the way, Discord link which is down is only for 100%. Remember that. It used to be 79 people in our Discord. Today we cleaner that Discord, we take it out the people they are not active in our Discord. So you got another chance to join us. Now them they are 60 or 70 people. So you can even join now. If you like Telegram, the link of our Telegram is down in the description of that video. So go now and join us before it's too late, guys. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, at the daily candle today, the market make a major pump today after the news we came from USA. XRP they win the case against the ECC. Good news, but the Bitcoin he was everything going fine till we reach here to that level here to 32k as you see it. If the candle close like that, well, that it's been a very good sign for us to enter along. But look at it here, we couldn't break that last high here and the lower here of that inside bar as we been talking about. So that one, it's not good news. We couldn't break here as you see it, guys. That smaller here will that it make a big difference. That one here, if it close like that green, will that it make a big difference. But now the market he pushed down here, so that one is a sign maybe the Bitcoin is going to fall down. But also we're going to wait till tomorrow candle what is going to tell us. If tomorrow candle is came another candle and close in here, because we need to break that level here of 32k, guys. If a candle came here and break it like that, also we're going to enter long. If it's not, if it fall down, also we're going to buy and show you exactly everything before. I told you me, till now I'm still believing maybe it's going to fall down till here, or maybe we're going to break here, because that no one can know exactly where is the Bitcoin is going. Even Satoshi Nakamoto itself, he can't know where is the Bitcoin going. So the same thing us we analyze for you day by day. So I think picture is too clear, guys. Here we don't need to make the video too long. So now here for long term there is nothing yet, as we been following the daily candle like that all the whole day to close, but at the close it upsetting us, but it's okay. It's going to come another opportunity. Us still now we still scalping it. If there is any short opportunity we will enter in it. I think picture is too clear, guys. Here now let's going to see the coming news for today for pictures get more clear to you. So let's go in there. The coming news for today, guys, as you see, we don't got nothing today. Today is Friday, we don't got no news. So everything is going to stay how it is. And down here is our friend, the table of us, as we're looking at it every day. Look at it, US stocks, they make a new high. The SP 500 to make a new high. Me have been waiting it to make a correction for me to buy from lower. Fall down last week, but not to the level where I want to buy from. But now it go up. Me already got very fair enough of the SP 500. Till now I'm making about 25% from my stock account. That's fair enough for me. And now if it fall down we're going to buy. If it's not, also we're still collecting cash. And down here is our friend, is the VIX. As you see it, currency is getting very low from 15 to 13. That means everything still looking good. And even US dollar, as you see it today, it break down that 100 is 99. And if you been trading the forex, all the pairs against US dollar they are going up. British pound a new high, the euro USD a new high, USD CAD a new low. Everything is going up. So I think picture is too clear, guys. Here we don't need to make video too long. The only thing the Bitcoin couldn't break that 32k. So now let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours for swing trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. Here is only for swing trading. Here, what else we used to say? We used to say we got here a channel. That channel is getting broke here. Look at it. That level here, that candle here, it's breaking up that channel. Should we enter long? Not yet. Me have been waiting the daily candle to confirm for me to enter long for swing trading. And I'm going to tell you why not yet. When we came to our indicator, I'm going to tell you why not yet to enter from that breakout which is here. Also, we go in there. But if you want to enter, you put stop loss down here. Also, we're going to wait in tomorrow. If there is more clear signal, we're going to enter more long. But now at this time here, there is no entry yet. We need to wait in a little bit. We need to wait in a clear signal, guys. Everything is too clear. Yes, here we got a very, very big double bottom here. And as you see it, it's breaking for us the neckline here, which is here, that one. That candle here, it's breaking for us the neckline. Should you enter long? I told you wait. And I'm going to tell you why me I told you to wait to enter long. Everything is too clear, guys, here. And now you can make another price action here. You can make something like that and something like that, like a triangle here. That one, if it fall down and break a lower here, we can enter short for swing trading. Maybe that one is just a fake out here. Let me tell you why me I told you not yet. Let's go in there to show you why. I tell you not yet, guys, because of that one. That one here, if you see here with me, that one and that one. You see it or no? Let me show it to you in the chart for pictures to get more clear to you. If we came here to the chart, let me zoom it like that for pictures to get more clear to you. And you came here to that one from here. And you came here, you see that one, that peak, that one, compared to that peak, that one. Which one which is higher? If we came here and we came to the highest peak here and we're making a line like that, a vertical line like that. You see it or no? And we came to the lowest and we put a vertical line here. You see it or no? So that peak here is high, then that one, yes or no? But if you came here to our indicator, what you seeing? I got a very, 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 very clear divergence here, guys. That way me I told you not yet for swing trading. You need to wait a little bit. Everything is too clear. So now what shall we do? Shall we enter more long? Shall we go short now? The chart will tell us, guys. If another candle came, green candle with power, I'm going to enter another swing trading and I'll show you exactly where is the take profit. And we need to focus about the daily candle. The daily candle is going to give us a very clear picture because in the 4 hours there is no clear picture yet. So we need to wait in more, guys, till the right time. I think picture is too clear here. Now let's go into our other indicator what it's saying. That one here, same thing. If you see here, that one here with that one here, what you seeing? You got a very clear divergence here. Let me show it to you. If you came to that peak here, that one, and you do it like that, and you came to that peak, that one here, and you do it like that, you got another clear divergence here. Should you enter short? If the market falls down and break a lower here, guys, here, the lower of that channel here, yes, we need to enter short. If it doesn't, there is no entry short. Actually, if it came another green candle like that and breaking the last high of that candle, we will enter long. And also we are waiting in our Telegram and in our Discord. That way every time I told you to join us there, because over there we're giving free daily signals and people they benefiting from all those signals free there. So even you can join us there and benefiting from all those things free. Don't need to pay nothing. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, yes you, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. You just smash the like button. You haven't. Why, my friend? Guys, you know us, we're doing all those things for you. And we don't ask you for nothing, for no money, no nothing. We just ask you to support us by just smashing the like button, to write down a comment. So why not? Why you don't support us? Go ahead and do it, please. Support us by smashing the like button, write down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, the entry of us, although we enter from down here, because if you remember yesterday I show you price action like that candle here when it's breaking, well, that us we enter. And me have been that time live here, but we haven't entered long because I've been cleaning the Discord server. Plus here yesterday I show you here down at double bottom here, people in my Telegram I give it to them as a signal like that, as a picture like that. You can even go you there and you're going to find that picture like that. So the people they enter from down here till up here, and both of us we enter from here till up here. here. But because of bad people, let's make it like that. Also, we haven't entered. Then Mia came and do it like that. And I do like that. A small triangle like that. It's getting blocked by that candle here. That one here. We put the first take profit here. Second one, it was here. Third one, it was up. Actually, it's bring for us just the first take profit. Then also we move in the stop loss to break even. And we make some profit today. Because as you know, day trading, you need to trade with leverage. So I make very nice profit. Me personally, I make near to $60 today. Then here now, guys, look with me here. The Bitcoin, he tried to give you here like a double top here. You see it or no? Let me zoom it for pictures to get more clear to you. Focus it with me here, what I'm going to show you. You see here, and you see here, and you see here. It needs to fall down a little bit, but it's okay. Me and no is going to fall down. Another thing here, that the neckline which is down here. If it's breaking down here, also we need to enter short. That's for the short. For the long, shall we enter long? If it came and breaking the last high which is here, yes, we need to enter long, guys. Remember those things what I'm telling you. So now you can even make like that, like a small flag like that here. If the Bitcoin came and breaking the last high which is here, enter long. If the Bitcoin came and breaking down here, enter short. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying here in 30 minutes. Our indicator, as you see it, guys, is it here at the overbought area. So technically also we need to looking for short. For us to enter short, it needs to fall down and to break for us the neckline down here. We will enter short, guys. Remember those things what I'm telling you. Everything is too clear, guys. That's it for that video, and please, guys, make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, that if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.